Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is King Sam, and today I'm going to continue my series where I show you guys how I create my animations from beginning to the end. In our last video, I show you guys my storyboarding phase and how I create my ideas and I plan it out on a piece of paper. And in this video, I'm going to take it a little bit further and I'm going to create our logo. I was supposed to create the whole graphic design for the animation, but the video was getting a little bit too long, so that completed version is going to come out later. So today I'm going to take you through my logo creation phase from beginning to the end in Adobe Illustrator. And the easiest way to contact me is my joining my motion design community. The link is in the video description. Come say hi, connect people just like yourself. And on Friday I'll be going live on the community so I can answer you guys questions on anything that you have problem with in After Effects, and we can just learn together. So let's jump right to the video. So first of all, when I start a designing job like this, I first look for inspiration, and there's no better place to find inspiration than on Pinterest. Like really, you can find really anything that you want to find on Pinterest. So first of all, I want to find shopping logo. Okay, so now looking at all these things, there are some few things that are very easy to notice. You can see this bag icon here. Let's see that. You can just use this to pick a lot of inspiration. I like this logo branding thing here. Next thing I'm going to do is, since I've gotten like the idea I want to get for my logo, something like this is fine also. So let's save this. So now I can just go to like ChatGPT, and what I'm going to do ChatGPT here, I can just ask it to generate now we have our concepts and we have everything that we're supposed to look at it. We have the tone and voice, fast, friendly, reliable, clear product description, quick responses, quick and sense of approaching customers in blah 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 blah. We already have a tagline: shop smart, live swift. So that's good. So next thing I'm going to do here is, let's go to our Illustrator. Okay, so let's open a new composition or a new listing in Illustrator and open up more settings. See, I'm on HDTV settings here, and my transparent grid, I'm going to off it, and let's create a new document. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in the pictures I just downloaded. So these three pictures here. So we have this one here, we have this one here, and I still have this one here. So the name of our company, this fictitious name that we gave it, is Swift Cat. And what we are going to do is we're just going to, let's enlarge it. So first thing I'm going to do is I want to find out how I'm going to integrate some of these things I've seen into a new logo. So we have a shopping bag here. We have this shopping cart looking thing like this. You have this other one right here. So what I'm thinking about is maybe using the S and the W to do something like this. So maybe a block style S and W. And if we are doing that, let's bring this down first. Let's zoom in. So you can go to our pencil here. Let me just try something. This is why I just did this part of it, but because I can bring this out here, I can duplicate it Then I'm just going to flip it, go to transform and reflect it. Okay, so now if I leave it like this, it's supposed to be a W. So another thing I can do is I can select this to go to my shape builder tool here. My shape builder tool here, and I can just combine it like this. So it's going to merge the two shapes together. I can just go down here and minus the anchor point, so we have something like this. Let's just draw 2 circles for entire. So let's have something like this. Problem is how we are going to integrate the S. So if you look at this logo in a particular way, it looks like an S, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about right now. So let's rotate it. Let's rotate it like this. I don't know if you guys have seen what I'm seeing yet here. So if you take it like this, down, and like this, it looks like an S. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to my pen tool again, and I'm just going to do something a little bit strange. I have this looking like this, and I am not actually sure how I'm going to integrate the two of them into it. Let me on the fill here, and let's remove the stroke. Like this, we can on the fill and remove the stroke. Okay, this looks like this. Actually is looking decent like this now. Yeah, it's looking pretty decent. Okay, so now I've gotten something like this. Now it's time for me to make like the final one that will actually go, because you can see that a lot of things is not geometric actually. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to my shape tool here. I'm going to get my rectangle. I'm just going to draw a simple rectangle like this. And this is what we have. I want to make it almost the same thickness. Let's say like this. Now I'm going to rotate it. Okay, let's rotate it like this. So this is how, and let's rotate it now. Okay, let's say I'm going to rotate it like this. And this is how most of this is the length. Is going to be the what may I call it? All my left leaning lines are going to just take this on. So I can just take this, move it this way, hold down Alt again. Okay, I think it's done. So now I can left click here, transform. I can reflect this so that we can get the other way. So this one here is going to be like this. Now I'm going to take this without, and let's reduce the size again. So this side now is going to be for the one that is inside, like this. And what I'm going to do is, so that I can have better control, I can just separate it. So I can just do one side first. Let's take this again, move it, And now we're just going to rotate this until it's straight. This looks pretty straight to me. Yeah. So like this, there's drags up again that it crosses out like this. Now I'm going to select all these layers here. I'm going to my shape builder here, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to follow the actual shape. You have to bring the shape from the back first. Okay, now I can select the many ones here, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to follow the actual shape of this. So I'm going to my shape builder tool here, and I'm going to start from here up this way, down, straight up to here. So now what I can just do is I can just select this one now and bring it out. So now you can see the before and after. This one now is more symmetric and it looks better, like it looks like what we want to actually do, than this one that is a little bit more janky. So I can just delete the many shapes here that we don't actually need anymore. And now we're just going to use the same method to make this W here. I forgot to leave one more line to cross it out. Now that's something I can just easily fix. Shape to here, I can just do it. Forgot to hold my Alt and bring this down like this. So I can remove the original. Let's select everything again. Shape builder to here, down, up, again. And now I can just take this out like this. Okay, I missed something, so I can just take this and just bring it here. Let's reduce this inside because I want to create this nose, whatever they may call it, what you may call it, this nose thing here. So let's bring it down. Okay, I think like this will be okay. And I'm just going to select this, go to my shape builder tool again, and I'm just going to do this like this. Okay, so let's bring this out and let's drop it inside here. Sorry, we can still adjust the size so that it matches properly. So I think this is looking good already. Yeah, this logo is actually looking good. I just had an idea and it looks like it's going to be good. And the idea, I think I'm going to need this block. So the idea is that I want to give it the cat a handle. If I want to do that, I have to make sure this stops well. So let's bring this downward a little bit. I think it's better when it's up like this. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to select this is my point. This is my two shapes here. I'm going to object with the path. I'm going to simplify. So simplify is just going to remove excess nodes that you are not actually going to need, and that's what it's just going to do for me right now. Okay, so I think I finally gotten it, and I think it will look so much better if it was like enclosed, so something like this. So we have this and we have where it's going to sit in, so that's this. Find the colors we are going to use, and going by, say we should use electric blue. What is electric blue? So if you say you want to use this as the in major color here. So we can just paste it here. Let's see what that GTP wants us to use. So this blue, okay, and I can just select this and just turn the field to white. Let's group it. Now we can just move that here. I'll go to our layers here, and we're going to move this group to the top. So this is looking good. Yeah, so I don't think I need this anymore. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to work on the word mark, and for this, let me check Poppins. Okay, I think I like this. Then let's get the tagline. Shop smart, live swift. And for this, I'm just going to use a Plift font. So I'm not going to use Poppin for this. I'm going to use a font like Java. Okay, so for this, let's use the second color that they gave us, warm grey. Okay, this one is too dark. Let's check on that color. Take last color. So this is the logo we are going to work with. Thank you for watching that video. What do you think? Let me know in my comment section. And now that you have learned how to make this amazing animation, you can also take a crack at learning how to make this one right here, or you can make something like this, and I'll catch you in that video. So from now to the next time, remember, improve every day, grow constantly, and dream endlessly. Love you guys.